So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in camera privacy settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that you have camera access turned on. Make sure that you have let apps access your camera also turned on. And if you see the application here that you want to use your camera for, then you want to turn that on. You also want to turn on let desktop apps access your camera. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, we're going to scroll down. You want to click on camera device settings. Make sure that your camera has actually been added. If not, you want to select search for cameras. Make sure that your camera is plugged in. If it detects your camera, you can then add it. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in camera. Now you want to right click on it and then click on app settings. And now once we're here, make sure that you have app permissions camera turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on terminate. Now you want to click on reset and then click on reset again. You want to reset the camera application. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your camera is plugged in. Now you want to expand cameras. You want to find your webcam. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. If that's still not working, then you want to go back and then click on browse my computer for drivers. And then click on let me pick from a list. If you see any drivers here that say your webcam name, then you want to select it and then click on next and you want to install that. See if that works. There may also be some webcam drivers that you can find on your camera's manufacturer website. If you do see them, then you want to install them. For the next method, you want to right click on your webcam and then click on uninstall device and then click on uninstall again. After you uninstall it, you want to select your computer name, which will then highlight it. Now you want to click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. Your camera should then appear again. See if that works. For the last method, just do a simple restart of your computer. Come back into Windows and then hopefully this will fix your problem.